Hey, so this is our first wing video. I wanted to first start by showing kind of what our current setup is and kind of what the holes in that I see and I want to fix and iterate on. So this is actually, there's a layer on top of that. So first let's just look at our wing here. So you'll see we have our wing orients and follows to what's going on. This is our current, like what we're using in production right now, and it works pretty well. There are some issues, which one of the things I want to talk about, what I want to do here. But it does work. It works well. So what's happening is we have a post process that sets up a constraint setup that sets up a blend. So I've colored these now. So the subcolor ones are going to be the ones that are following, and so these are our mains. So this controls these between here, and then this controls the blend between these to here and these to here. That's kind of how it works. This current setup has a point setup as well, so if I move these, it gets a blend of those points. What I want to transition to for this next pass is to make it so that we have the position will be generated by a track point of a curve here, and then we'll let the orient be as it is now. It'll keep the same blend. I think that'll give us a more consistent result, while still allowing us to slide along that surface, or that curve is what it will be. And for now, again, it's still going to be a post process. What I've done for you all, for patrons, is on the share, I've added a base file. So demo wing bird base, the template, and then the build, and then the post. I'm going to put up a post for you all to have access to the calls. I need to put up a new update of the tools to Missive so that you have the latest version. But that's kind of how it is. Same with the tail. So I have a blend between. So it's a nice, it feels nice. On the tail, this isn't much of an issue. I might leave it. It's more of on the wing that I want the feathers to track there. So our main drivers are the mid, start, and end. You can have as many as you want. And again, I'm going to put the code up to know how to do this. Then the layer on top of this that we have is the SDK setup. So the sibling SDK goes to the parent. So it's on this handle because this is the parent block, and it doesn't have a setting, so it just goes to the main. The current issue with this iteration for the feathers is that you'll see that it gets kind of a double, because these are getting additive from this, from the layered setup. So I got to resolve how to get around that. Then on the wing, the sibling SDK is going to be on the parent here. This current iteration for the feathers, I have a segment, a 3-joint segment. You could easily do this with our current game project is not nearly this high as joint. I think we have a lot less feathers. So you can cull that depending on your needs. I just wanted to try to simulate a full wing for this demo and for the owl that I'm playing with, because I want to work through these issues. But this is kind of how it works. This file is up. The next short video I'll do will be how to run the post processes. I need to get that post up, and I'll have that link in the next one. But this is the first of the wing series, and we'll go through the bird wing, talking about that. Then I'll get the bat wing up, and we'll talk through that and talk about the differences and how we set that up. And we'll go from there. Hope this is helpful.